Hello.
Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Yes.
Good evening, teacher.
Hello. Very good evening to all.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening. I can see there are a lot of new
Evening,
students today.
teacher.
Welcome you. Welcome all of you to my class. So how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, teacher. How are you, teacher?
Fine, teacher. Thank you.
Fine, teacher. Thank you, teacher. How about
I'm doing good.
I'm fine, thank you.
Right now, there are a lot of new students now. So I will tell how we are going to do the class. Okay, first, do you know my name?
No, teacher.
I'm Manori teacher.
No,
Okay.
teacher.
My name is Manori. I'm Manori teacher. And so we are doing grade 6 now. So you can do you have your textbooks, government textbooks? Do you have?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Ah,
teacher.
that's great. Mhm. Right. And also, you have to buy as an extra workbook. We are doing Master Guide book, right? Master Guide grade 6 book. So you can buy that book. It's available in any bookshop, right? Sarasavi, Gunasena, any bookshop it is available. Master Guide grade 6 book. So as an extra workbook, I am doing that. Okay, so for today it's okay, but next week onwards, better to buy it, and that is affordable, not very expensive also. So you can buy it. Okay, and like time to time, like every month in like I'm doing a month end exam, and time to time I'm giving revision papers. So you have to do those work also, right? All right. Now these are the lessons I have already done. Now what are they? So I have already done these lessons. Right. The first lesson circle, second lesson place value, third lesson mathematical operations, and now we are doing time, the last part of time. So only these things I have done. So you can get the recordings from the institute. Right now we are doing time, isn't it, children? So we are at the last part of time. So we'll finish time and now we'll go to what? Our next lesson, number line. Right now quickly we'll finish this one. Now are you ready to do the class? Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
So those who were with me, can you remember what we did last week? We add and we subtract time. Right now we'll do this subtraction. Now we are going to take away 2 minutes and 15 seconds from 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay? Right. First we have to start from seconds. Right. Now tell me 30 minus 15 how much? 15 take 30?
15.
15. Then 5 minus 2? 2. That is easy. That question is easy. Now check the second example. Second example, that is also okay, no? That one also okay because first we have to start from minute, right? 35 minus 25 is 10. 5 minus 2 is 3. I like that. That is also easy. But if the question is like this, we'll do like this. Here the hours are here, right? Minutes are here. You have to take away 6 hours and 20 minutes. 3 hours and 30 minutes here. Now how can we do it? Can you take away 30 from 20? Can you take away 30 from 20? No, 20 is a small number. No? Yes. Now 20 is a small number. So the 20 is not big enough to take away 30. Then what we are doing? We have to borrow, no? In subtraction, we are borrowing. Now the minutes, borrowing from hours, right? Now the hours can give only hour. Now hour is given 1 hour to minutes side. 1 hour means how many minutes?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. 60 minutes. Now 20 plus 60 how much? 20 plus 60 is 80, yeah? 80. Now 80 minus 30, is 80 big enough to take away 30? Huh? 80 is, yes, no? 80 is big enough to take away 30. Right? 80 minus 30 is 50. Now is this 6 hours anymore? Can you remember it has given 1 to minute side?
Yes.
Now it is not 6 anymore. It is 5 now. Right? So 5 minus 3, 2. Like that we can do this subtraction. Okay, can you write this example now?
Okay, teacher.
Teacher.
I have finished writing, teacher. I have finished my work, teacher.
Work finished, no?
I have done my work, teacher.
Okay, darling. Now all of you finished? So I'd like if you can switch on your cameras, all of you, then I can check whether you are working, no? So some of the children are not switch on their cameras. So then I can't check no whether you are working. So better to switch on your cameras. Right. Okay. Now, after you finish this one, darling, you can do this work. It's Master Guidebook, page number 18. Right. There are 3 questions. And page number 19 there are some more questions. So altogether there are 10 questions are there. Shall we do those questions now?
Okay, teacher.
So some are minutes, some are seconds. Now this one minutes and seconds. But if you go to the other side, hours, minutes are there, days, hours are there, right? Now if days and hours, how many, now when you are borrowing from day, how many hours the days are giving? Is it 60 hours?
25 hours.
No,
24
24, no,
hours.
24 hours.
24.
So like that, based on the time, it is vary. Okay. All right. Now start doing this one. Those who don't have master guidebook today, you can check with the screen and do the work. Next day, next week, buy master guidebook can come. Okay.
My work is finished, teacher.
Okay. Now this one also finish.
Yes, teacher.
Super fast. Huh? Very good. We'll check whether they are correct. Okay.
Okay, teacher. I have finished my work, teacher. Excuse me, teacher.
Okay, Lunelli.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, yes, Putta.
Can you put the third question?
Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
I have done my work, teacher.
I have done my work, teacher.
Okay,
Teacher, can
Putta.
you
Good.
teacher, can you put the other? Thank
Yeah,
you, teacher.
okay, I will. So this is the last part of the lesson. Okay. After this, we'll do a quiz, no? We'll do a game, huh? Small game.
My work is done, teacher.
Right. Okay, but I can see some busy ants, huh? Still working. So we'll wait.
I have done my work, teacher.
Right. Okay.
I have done, teacher, my work. Hmm. Mananame. Mama, none. I have done my work, teacher.
Right? Okay, now we'll check now. Right, now this one, first one is easy, no? Huh?
Mama,
Right, mute your mic. Right? Mute your mic first. Okay. We are going to take away 3 minutes and 8 seconds from 5 minutes and 10 seconds, right? Okay. 10 minus 8. How many minutes? How many seconds? 10 minus 8? 2 seconds. 5 minus 3? 2. Easy one, right? And next one. 0 minus 20. Can we do that? Is it possible? Can we take away 20 from 0? No, then we have to borrow from minutes, right? Now minutes will give only 1 minute. 1 minute to the second side. 1 minute means how many seconds? 1 minute means how many seconds are there?
60. 60
Seconds. 60 seconds are there. So therefore, 0 plus 60 will be 60 here now, right? Right. Right. Now 60 minus 20 is 40, right? Now this is 10 anymore. No, right? This is 9 because it has given 1 minute to the second side now. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Right. Now next one is the 20 minus 40. 20 minus 40 also we can't do. Then we have to borrow from the minute side. Right. Then now one minute is 60 seconds. Now then this will become 60 plus 20, 80. Okay. Okay, give me 1 minute. Right. Sorry, Diana. Now 80 minus 40 is 40. Now is this 8 anymore? Is this 8 minute anymore? No, right? It is 7 because it has given 1 minute to the second side now. Right. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Right. Now next question. That is also minute and second one. And now first we'll start. We have to start from seconds. Right? Can we take away 50 from 20? Is it possible? Can we take away a big number from a small number? No. Then we have to borrow. Now we are borrowing from the minute side. Now the minute side will give 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds, right? 60 seconds. Now altogether how many seconds are there? 20 plus 60. Altogether there are 80 seconds, right? 80 minus 50 is 30. Now this is not 5 anymore. It is 4 now. Okay, 4 minus 4, 0. So only 30 seconds are there. Then the fifth one. Fifth one also like that. Right? 40 is not big enough to take away 50. We have to borrow then. We are borrowing 1 minute from the minute side. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Right? 60 plus 40 is 100. 100 minus 50 is 50. Now is this 12 anymore? No. This is 11 now. 11 minus 5, 6. Okay, 11 minus 5, 6. Right. Now next one, you are doing hours and minutes. Then 30 minus 10. Is it a problem? Do we need to borrow now? Hmm? Do we need to borrow?
No, madam.
No, we don't need to borrow because 30 is bigger no, than 10. So it is 20. 5 plus 2, 3. Right. But seventh one, there's a problem. Why? 20 is not big enough to take away 30. Then we have to borrow 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Hmm? So 20 plus 60 is 80. 80 minus 30 is 50. And this is not 5 hours anymore. It is 4 hours now. 4 minus 2, 2. Right. Then eighth question is also like that. 40 is not big enough to take away 50. Then you have to borrow 1 hour from the hour side. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 60 plus 40 is 100. 100 minus 50 is 50. This is not 12 anymore. It is 11 now. 11 minus 10 is 1. So 1 hour and 50 minutes is the answer. Now ninth one is the real challenge because you are working with days and hours. Now luckily the first question is easy. Why? 20 minus 10 is 10. No problem. 5 minus 3 is 2. No problem. Right? So this question is easy. But see the 10th question. Can you take away 14 from 10? Is it possible? No. Why 10 is smaller than 14? Then we have to borrow from days. 1 day means how many hours? 1 day means how many hours?
24 hours.
4 hours. So you have to add 24 hours. So 24 plus 10 is 34. Right? Now is this 12 days anymore? No, right? Because it has given 1 for the other side. No, so this will become 11. Right. 34 minus 14 is 20. 11 minus 5 is 6. All your answers correct?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
If
teacher.
they are wrong, you can do the correction.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope all your answers are correct. And from that, the lesson is finished. Time lesson, we have done that big lesson now. Shall we do a small quiz then?
Okay, teacher.
Do you like challenge friend version? No. Doing with me.
Challenge friend.
Challenge friend, no? Right. So we'll do a question from what? Shall we do a time? Time, I think that the children who came today will be difficult for them, isn't it? So we'll do multiplication. Multiplication quiz. Times table quiz. Chakkare quiz එකක් කරමුද? Hmm? Then everyone knows, no, then that will be more interesting. So we'll do times table quiz now. Okay. Times right. So those who are new, this is what you have to do. Okay. What you have to do is right. So those who are new, this is what you have to do. Now in your Zoom, right, you have chat. Huh? In Zoom, you have chat. Now teacher is going to drop the link to your chat. Huh? Now here I drop. Here I drop the link to your chat box. So you have to click on the link, right? You have to click on the link, enter your true name, and then you can play. මේ Zoom වල තියෙනවා chat කියලා එකක්. chat කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ chat කියන එකට ගිහිල්ලා එකේ teacher දැන් link එකක් එවලා තියෙනවා. Right? You have to click that link and then you can enter to the game. Right now I saw Senoli took you have entered to the game, so I also entered. And then you can answer the questions. Okay. And this is a competition between your friends. So we'll see who will win. The teacher also playing, huh? But with this, sometimes, right, if you are using phones like that, this will not be working. Stuff only for some few devices. Then, darling, be patient and wait like 2 or 3 minutes, okay? But I hope majority of you can play. Right, I can see 29 players are there. How about the others? 7 of you are not playing, no? Why is it not working? Only 29 are playing out of 30, 35, no? 36. Right, out of 34 players, 14 have completed, another 20 more. Right, who are still playing? Raise your hand if you are still playing. Right, shall I stop from this? Then we can go to the new lesson, okay? Right. The first place is Sitija. Congratulations. Second teacher, third Nikita. Hmm? Sitija, congratulations. Today you are the winner. Right, now we'll go to our today's lesson.
Thank
Number
you.
line, that is, yeah, you're welcome. That is the fifth lesson. Okay, now we can start the fifth lesson, number line. So shall we write the topic number line? See the words are telling what we are going to do. We are going to draw a line with some numbers. That is what number line. But technically, there's a way of drawing and writing a number line. So if you know that way, then that's what we have with the purpose of this lesson. Right, so you can write, this is the fifth lesson, number line. සිංහලෙන් කරපු අය දන්නවා සංඛ්‍යා රේඛාව නේද? That is what number line. Right, now see, this is your ruler. Your ruler is a kind of number line, right? Your ruler is a good example for number line. So let me explain. Right now, from your knowledge, tell me from 0 to 1. Then 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Are they equal gaps or different gaps? 1 to 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Are they equal gaps or different gaps? Just
Equal gap.
equal, right? 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. All the gaps are equal. That is a very important feature in number line, right? In number line, the gap or the difference between two numbers are always equal. And see, this is called spring balance. This is called spring balance. අර සමහර වෙලාවට ඕගොල්ලෝගේ නංගිලාගේ මල්ලිලාගේම බර කිරන්න මෙන්න මේ වගේ එක එල්ලනවා නේද බෑග් එක දාලා. Have you seen that?
Teacher.
Midwife auntie? Midwife auntie is doing that, no?
Yes,
So that is called spin balance. See the scale? It's like a number line. It's like a number line. And see this, the measuring cylinder. Measuring cylinder. So there also you can see kind of like a number line. So it's a line with some numbers. So somehow ruler is a very good example for number line. Now shall we draw a number line now? Right now we are going to draw a number line. So this is teacher doesn't have a square rule book. No, teacher is using the screen. So therefore I copy and paste a page like your square rule book. Okay. So this is teacher square rule paper. Then teacher නෑනේ මේ කොට රූල් පතක් නෑනේ. ඒකේ හින්දා මම කොට රූල් ටිකක් මගේ screen එකේ ගහගත්තා. So you don't need to draw. Okay, you don't need to draw a square rules because you have your book already. Now shall we draw a line like this? All of you? We'll draw a line like this. So see how long it is? It goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A 12 square long line I drew. So we'll draw this number line together. Right. Secondly, darling, you have to Right. Then, Pute, what you have to do is draw two arrows at the corners. Right? At the edges, you have to draw lines. I will tell what is the meaning of these two lines later, right? But for now, draw two lines like this, two arrows like this. Right. Then you have to follow the lines of the square rule paper and draw small lines like this. Always follow the lines of the square rule paper. මේ කොටු rule පොලේ lines follow කරන්න ඕනේ. Don't draw lines like this. See, if you draw lines like this, wrong, nah? Why? Then you will take different gaps. Don't do like that. So always follow the lines of the square rule paper. Right? Did you draw lines like that? Huh? Right. Now, Putte, you have to start from 0, right? Here 0. Now, number line is a line with some numbers. So, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right now, I will tell you what is the meaning of this arrow now. Right? The meaning of this arrow is there are a lot of further numbers, not stopping from 10. There's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, till infinity. Till infinity, there are lines. Right? This arrow tells that. Understood? This arrow is telling there are many more numbers further. That is the meaning of this arrow. And all of you finish? Right. So,
Yes.
the important thing is you have to take equal gaps between numbers. Right? Don't take different gaps between numbers. Numbers දෙකක් අතර gap එක හැම වෙලාවෙම equal වෙන්න ඕන. Different gaps ගන්න එපා. Right? Understood? Right. Now, second one. Another number line we are going to draw. Okay, this is another way that you can draw a number line. So draw a line like this. Put mute your mic. I can hear a history lesson going on. Huh? Can you mute your mic? Right. So you can draw a line like this, right? Then again draw two arrows in either sides. It says there are further many more infinite numbers. What is called infinite? Infinite කියලා කියන්නේ අනන්තයක්. කියන්නේ count කරගන්න බැරි තරම් ගොඩක්. Never end, never stop. Right now, Pute, you can draw the lines like this. Here, now look at here. Now this time I am going to take two squares as one unit. Huh? මොනවාද gaps දෙකක් නැත්නම් squares දෙකක් එක number එකකට ගන්න like this. See here 0 after two squares 1 here. Again after two squares 2 here. Again after two squares 3 here. Again after two squares 4 here. Now can I now if I draw 5 here, is it correct now? If I draw 5 here, is it correct?
Not
No,
enough.
no, no. This is a very big mistake the children are doing. No, you have to take equal gaps, right? Then 5 should be here. Again, take 2 gaps and 6 is here. This is another way you can draw a number line. This will be little bigger. So you can use either this or this. Both are correct. But equal gaps is a must for a number line. Understood how to draw a number line, all the children?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
sir.
Yes, teacher.
එක එක size gaps ගන්න එපා. Equal gaps ගන්න ඕනේ.
My work is done, teacher.
Okay.
Done,
My
teacher.
work is done, teacher.
My work is done, teacher.
Right. All of you finished now the work?
My work is done, teacher.
Okay. Right. A line such as this, which is used to represent numbers, is called a number line. An arrowhead is drawn at the right end of the number line. Right head, and this one also, the other head also we have to draw. Right. Then I will say what is a number line. Right. That is a line on which the numbers are marked. Right. Now see this one. Now here teacher drew a number line. Okay. I'm starting from 0. Here this side also I will put an arrow. This side also I will put an arrow. Then I will draw numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to mark number 10 on the number line. So number 8 on the number line. How can I mark? Look at here. You can mark number 8 like this. Draw a small dot on number 8. See? Number 8, not a big one. A small dot like this, but a visible one, not an invisible dot. A dot like this you can draw to represent number 8. Now, shall we represent number 8 now? That is the way you can represent numbers on a number line. Draw a small dot on the number.
I can't.
Hello, teacher. I done my work, teacher.
Okay, done? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Right. Suddenly you were stuck. Then I was thinking whether you can hear me. Right. Are you done? Did you all mark number 8 on the number line?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Right.
Teacher.
Right. Now these numbers put don't mark because I will give some work in the master guidebook. You just watch how teacher is going to mark these numbers on the number line. Number 2, number 6, number 9. Like that, you can mark numbers on the number line. Now, can you mark numbers like that? Huh? Okay, na? Right. And now here are some work for you. See, this work I have taken from your textbook, right? From the master guidebook also there are some work. But this one I took from your textbook, right? Page number 64. It says, copy the following number line, mark number 1, 2, and 5 on it. Huh? Can you draw that? Now draw this number line, mark 1, 2, 5, and 5 on it. Huh? Now do it now.
Teacher, finish. Teacher, my work is finished. My work is done, teacher.
Okay, right. Now we'll mark 1, 2, and 5, right? 1 here, 2 here, 5 here, like that you have to mark. Okay, done?
My work is
Small
done,
dots.
teacher.
Okay, you have to keep small dots like that. Then, shall we do fifth question? Right, Nimal is 8 years old. His younger sister is 5 years old. Mark these values on a number line. Shall we mark? Draw a number line and then mark Nimal's age and his younger sister's age on a number line.
My work is done, teacher. My work is done, teacher.
Right, okay. So you have to mark, okay. You have to mark number 8 and number 5. So you can do like this, right? Mark number 8. Then write Nimal's age. Write Nimal's age. Then mark number 5 and write this is Nimal's sister's age. Like that you can write it in a in an understandable way. Step. Okay, done, no? Right, now Putta, you can go to page number 22 in Master Guide book and do this question. Right, my battery is going to dead. I'll put it to the charger.
I have done my work, teacher. Done, teacher.
Okay.
My work is done, teacher. I will finish my work, teacher.
Work finished. All right. Mark of 5 students has been marked on the number line given below. Huh? Maximum mark on the test is 10. Right. Now, first one who obtained the maximum mark. Who obtained the maximum mark, children? Out of 10? Out of 10, Himan won the maximum mark. It's 9 marks, no? Right. Second one, who obtained the least mark? Least කියලා කියන්නේ අඩුම. Who obtained the least mark?
Chamaka.
Chamaka. Chamaka, I think. Right. Name of the two students who obtained the same mark.
Senita and Senura.
Senita and Senura both got 6 marks, no? Then, how many marks Himan obtained than Senadi?
4 marks.
Right, now you have to compare, right? You have to compare how many marks Himan obtained than Senadi. ඒ කියන්නේ සෙනදිට වඩා හිමාන් කොච්චර වැඩිපුර marks අරන් තියෙනවද කියලා. Now Himan got 9. Senadi got 4. That means how many more marks he got? 5, no? 5 marks. Yeah, so that means Himan got 5 more marks than Senadi. Right. Next one, use the symbol greater than. Compare the marks of Chamat and Himan. Now this is called, we call it crocodile mouth. No, crocodile mouth opens for which side?
The bigger side.
Bigger side. Neither. Bigger side එකට තමයි මේක open වෙන්නේ. Right? And the other side is small. Right. So now you have to compare Chamatka and Himan's marks using inequality signs. Right. Now Chamatka is 2 and Himan is 9. So you have to open the crocodile mouth. Oh, inequality sign to like this. Or you can write 9 is bigger than 2, like that. Okay, all of you done?
Yes.
And we have a very important lesson called negative numbers. Negative numbers, how to mark a negative number in a number line, those things. Right. So again, for the new children, newcomers, don't forget to buy master guide book by next week. Okay, next week, buy the master guide book. It's available in any bookshop and it's affordable also. And school textbook you have, no? So negative numbers we can do on next week. Okay, because it's a big lesson. We can't just start and can't finish easily. So shall we wind up for today? Shall we stop for today?
Okay.
Right, okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Bye bye. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, teacher.
Good night, teacher.
Goodbye,
Good
teacher.
night.
Good night, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher. Good night, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher, Miss.